Hello, and welcome to another MT2 trading tutorial video. Today, I will be showing you around the copy trading service feature our platform offers. This service will allow you to subscribe to public signal providers and receive their signals automatically and directly to your account with your desired amounts and risk management parameters. The copy trading service feature can be found on the bottom of your platform, as you can see on the screen. This feature is divided in three main tabs. 1. The first tab is called Providers List. Here, you will be able to scroll through hundreds of signal providers. Useful historical trading information will be available for each provider. This includes provider balance gain, balance drawdown, win rate, amount of trades, days, last trade, profit share, brief description. To the right of the provider's list, you will find a vertical menu with small buttons. Let's see what you can do with them. The first button can be used to update the provider's status and important information. The second button can be used to apply filters to the provider's list and display only the ones that match your requirements, as shown on the screen. The third button can be used to search for a specific provider by its name. The fourth button can be used in order to send a subscription request to a provider. And establish your configuration. As you can see, the fifth button can be used to see the provider's historical trading statistics. These will be available both in the form of a trade table and also in a profit graph form. The sixth button can be used to open a live chat window with the provider and send him direct messages. Two. The second tab is called Receive Signals. Here, you will be able to manage your signal provider's subscriptions. To the left of this section, you will find your subscriber statistics for all your subscriptions altogether. To the center, you will find a list of all your subscriptions, along with useful information for each one, such as trade amount, trades, demo and real profit, profit share, and status. To the left, you will find a vertical menu with small buttons. Let's see what you can do with them. The first and second button can be used to update your provider's status and apply filters to your subscriptions list. The third button can be used to pause or continue your subscription. The fourth button can be used to unsubscribe to the signal provider. The fifth button can be used to show your historical trading statistics with a specific provider, both in the form of a trades table or a profit graph. And the sixth button can be used to open a live chat with your provider and send him a direct message. To the right bottom corner of the tab, you will find a very important horizontal menu, as you can see on the screen. The first button here will allow you to suspend your subscriber account and stop receiving all signals from all providers at once. Next to it, you will find your subscriber account tab with your name, your total pending invoice up to date, and your invoice amount. All signals sent by your providers will be displayed on the trades table on the top left corner of your MT2 platform, along with useful information. As you can see on the screen, my trades table shows some signals sent by my providers one by one. In order to receive signals, you will need to have your MT2 trading platform running with internet connection. If you close the platform, your account will stop receiving signals. Hope this video helps you understand how our copy trading service works and find some amazing signal providers. Best regards, MT2 team.